Caltrans District 2, headquartered in Redding, located at the northern end of California, where you're only minutes away in every direction from forests, lakes, rivers, mountains, and national and state parks. Enjoy outdoor recreation at its finest with hiking, fishing, mountain biking, and more. Enjoy everything District 2 has to offer, all while working in one of the most beautiful districts in Northern California. Not into the outdoors? Redding has the best selection of amenities north of Sacramento. Check out one of the many boutique shopping experiences Redding has to offer. Take in some local arts and culture, or sample some local cuisine at any of the delicious local eateries. Not to mention affordable housing, short commutes, and a reasonable cost of living make District 2 a great place to live. At Caltrans District 2, we're looking for creative, dedicated, passionate team members to join our team. You'll work on diverse transportation projects in some of the most scenic settings in the state, solve complex problems with innovative solutions, and be part of a close-knit group of talented individuals. For more information on Caltrans District 2, visit dot.ca.gov or jobs.ca.gov to browse job openings. At Caltrans, we want you to come enjoy all that District 2 has to offer.